here. How y'all doing today? Today I have an unboxing from The Real Real. And this is one of the ones, I don't know which box it is. I have two items. One that I've had for a long time. I know I've already missed the boat on all the unboxings. So I will have to tell you when I open this up which one this is and when I ordered it, because there was one that came in way before I left for vacation and one that came in just this week, but I don't know which box this is. Ah! It's a big one. Hello. Okay. Maybe I'll put it on the floor and then pull it out from the floor. Okay. Ah! It's in the pretty box. Oh, that was a trip. So let's see. Y'all gonna peek with me? Ta-da. I'm excited. Oh, I don't know why they have it in the real bag. So which one is this one? I'm gonna take a peek. I actually can't see, but I can feel, oh, okay, I know about the size of this one, what it is. Okay. This is the one that was, I received way before I went on vacation. Yes, definitely was a Caleb Snell's influence, and he completely influenced me on this one. And in fact, I bought it way back when he bought his. And did I take it out and do my unboxing around the time he did, or around the time Melissa got hers, or around the time? Did I do that? No, it just sat there and then it got lost. And then we went on vacation and I came back, but it's here now. And let's see. It is, see if you bag connoisseurs will know. It is, oh. It's hard to come out. It is my Celine. I got a boogie bag. I did. And I'm surprised at the color that I got. She's a little bit squished. She was squished in the box. Let me see if I can unsquish her a little bit. Let me give you a look around and then we'll see. She's in really good shape. I'm not even sure if this is the front or the back. And here's the other side. It has something there, a logo there. Here is this side. Here is the logo here. Here is the bottom. The leather is very soft, so let me see. Here it has the Celine logo. That's what that was. Can y'all see it? I'm not sure if y'all can see it. And it says, an expert behind every item. This item is final sell and is not returnable. The Real Real. I know. Let me try to stuff it a little bit with this and see if this will help give it some shape. There, that's a little, oh, there we go. I was going to show you around the inside before I stuffed it so you could get a better view. But on the inside, there's two pockets. There's a front pocket, back pocket, and an inner zipper. Let's see the zipper. Yay, the zipper is working in good condition. It's very floppy, and that was one of the things. Let me see if I go in here and see how much it cost. One of the things why this one was at the price point, because it had said that it had become slouchy, or I call it slouchy, relaxed. It had become relaxed. So it was 40% off. The value of the bag was $225 and I got it for $135. It's in beautiful condition. And I don't know why, but I liked the silhouette in this chocolate brown. I just like the chocolate brown in this silhouette more than, they even had like they had like a red one, was it a red? Well, they had one that had color, but I wanted this one. It has two pockets here, one here and one here. Let me see if my cell phone will fit in either one. It looks a little bit short. Oh, there, it'll fit in this one. Will it come up above the bag? I'm okay with that. You can't really see it too much. I'm okay with that. It only fits in one pocket. It won't fit in the other pocket. then we'll call that the front of the bag, because I would carry it this way, so we'll call it the front of the bag. And here is the other pocket, just an open kind of a bucket. I think I'll probably need to put at least one side of do a small, I don't think I have any in here, a small, what are they called? You know, a small insert in here. And very good condition. See, very clean, excellent condition. It was in fair condition. It said heavy discoloration at interior, moderate scratches throughout, moderate fading at corners, minor discoloration at handles. Okay, so discoloration at handles. Let's see, anything that will bother you too bad. I don't see it. The lighting in here is not superb, but here, okay, so here right there, I guess I could see where there's some discoloration there. And then it's at corners, some minor corner wear. Do you see some right there? I think once we conditioned it, right there. So on all four corners looks like, yeah. So that's actually not too bad. Now it's just in those two corners, but it's not bad. Nothing's coming through, like the piping. The piping's not broken or anything. It's not coming through. So, all right. So now let me see how it looks. If I put something in here, let me just try to put this in here, just to give it. There we go. How's that? That's better. Yeah. So. Well, if I use my pouches, I probably wouldn't need anything. I wonder if my phone will fit on the side. Probably not. No, it's... Oh, actually it does. It does fit. There we go. So that might be a possibility there. Does it fit on this side? Oh, it does. It does. Okay, that's cool. Actually, that's a very, very cool feature. That'll work great for me. So if I needed it to be a quick grab, then I could put it here, or I can keep it on inside. So very nice. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. I just like it. I don't know what took me so well. It got lost, and you know, life happened, and there was another one that I had been looking at which had like a basket weave down here, but this one a little bit more expensive than that one. And I was a little leery about getting that one because I wasn't quite sure if some of the discoloration I saw on the other one was, if it was how the bag came, you know, like it kind of had that rugged style, or if it was, you know, from the years of use or what have you, the love on it. And it was kind of one of those things I did talk to Caleb a little bit about it, had him look at it, and he said, you know, go with your instinct on it, because they were both good prices, and so I decided to go for this one. So I'm not sure, are we exactly bag twinning, Caleb? I don't remember which Celine that you have, but it has the buttons here. It says the little logos there, and I like the Celine logo. Very nice. I love the silhouette. I really do. It's not a crossbody. This one is not a crossbody. I definitely knew that going into it. But this is definitely a very small DD bag where it's just big enough to hold what I need. You know, I can have extra room, have what I need, have extra room. I can carry it on the crook of my arm. I can top handle it, and the leather is very light on it. I was asking Caleb, was it super heavy, you know? And I know it's hard for somebody else to gauge what's heavy for you, for me, or what have you, but he was able to say that his was not, you know, and that this leather just seems to be a little bit lighter than some of the other ones. So I'm glad. I really like it, and I have been looking for a second one, even though I hadn't opened this one, but I knew that I would like it because of the silhouette, and it's easy to, you know, it's easy to look in the bag. I like that as well too. Do like that as well too. I just haven't found another one that I like, and then the price points, these are price points, you know, once the real world finds out that people are looking and how many times people are looking at a certain bag, those prices keep going up and up and up. And so I'm like, all right, I'm going to wait. I'm going to hold it out. I'm going to hold out. And I bought some other bags that were in better price points. And so I'm like, okay, let's get those. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming by and visiting today. And here's my first Celine. Yay! Thank you very much. Love y'all. Bye-bye.